Pong! Now, before we actually play Dare Pong, this is a 4-people game, so I would like to introduce on stage someone very special. He is a YouTuber with a channel called Take 900 and also a writer on our show. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Nikhil Kinney!
What's up, guys? I also have a YouTube channel just like Prajakta.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe.
Come here. We are about to play a game called Dare Pong. ठीक है? Nikhil Kinney हमारे शो पे writer भी हैं, so good job, man. Nikhil does not know how to speak in Hindi at all, and he was on the call with Jassi.
एकदम चकाचक था. है ना?
Yeah. All right. The name of the game is Dare Pong. How Dare Pong is played? It's like beer pong, but with dares.
My head.
You wrote this.
The teleprompter has shut down, so it's like beer pong, except there's no beer. We're going to be taking turns, forming two different teams, throwing a ping pong ball into each other's cups.
Yes.
If we sink it, the other team has to decide who takes a dare out of this beautiful array of dares we have here.
Okay, so at this point we're going to divide the team, and I feel like it'll be interesting to see Kinney and Jassi in the same team. Oh man, and Prajakta and I in the same team. What do you guys say? Yeah.
Chalo.
All right, chalo.
करते हैं एकदम.
Yeah, Kinney will still have to come here.
Yeah, I knew that.
Okay, you guys ready to play Dare Pong?
Woo!
Oh!
नहीं plan
shit,
किया
it's
था
us.
वो.
You want to
Oh,
read
you
it?
want to read it?
Fill your mouth with 5 star and say upper roller, lower roller 5 times.
क्या say what?
Upper roller, lower roller.
Upper roller,
Tongue
lower
twister.
roller.
कितना पैसा पूरा किया?
पूरा
Full.
पूरा.
पूरा
पे
5
लिखा हुआ है पूरा.
Okay, I'm gonna take the entire one. Are you ready?
हाँ.
और क्या बोलना?
Upper roller.
upper
lower
roller.
ये कुछ गाली निकलेगी मुंह से पक्का है. ये इसलिए लिखा है ना? Okay, got it. Ready? I feel this is very inappropriate.
Abhish, I can't unsee this.
If I break it, it'll be painful because you visualized it now. मैं मुंह में लेने जा रहा हूँ पैसा. ये है मेरी ऑडियंस. Okay, here we go.
How?
एक और
Don't die.
ये क्लियर बोला था.
I think we get the point.
Yep.
पूरा दूंगा
Abhish,
नहीं.
you decide. Good job. Okay. Okay, you read.
One player beatboxes and the other
sing a song about their first crush.
I'm gonna beatbox.
Oh fuck you, man! अभी रूह पूरा खाया था मैंने. Okay, cool.
Should beatbox?
Prajakta,
Beatboxers
you'll come
have a
here.
mic? Okay, no.
You beatbox, right?
Okay.
Okay. First crush, no? First crush.
हाँ फर्स्ट क्रश.
Like first ever crush.
यार गाना बनाना है.
मेरे को आता
गाना है कोई
था
भी गा दो.
Can I improv with this?
Please go for it. My first crush name was Zufisha. उसको मैंने अपना दिल दे दिया. उसके बाद मेरा जुबिन दोस्त आया. उसने बोला उसको पसंद आई तो मैंने बोला तू रख ले. उसने बोला उसने मेरे को भी मना कर दिया. तो मैंने बोला oh fuck दोनों बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन जाते हैं. Because Zufisha was too great for both of us. She was too great for both of us. She was too great for both of us. Zufisha, you're married with 2 kids.
No.
Genuine story. RCC Convent School. LKG में मेरा दोस्त जुबिन थे और एक गर्ल थी उसका नाम जुफिशा था. वो बहुत स्वीट काफी परी जैसी थी और जुबिन है बोलते यार जुफिशा LKG. उसके बाद मैंने बोला यार मुझे जुफिशा बहुत पसंद है एंड जुबिन बोला मेरे को भी. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है भाई.
Can at least someone address that I beatboxed? Really?
Oh yeah.
हाँ बहुत अच्छे.
Very good.
Thanks, guys. Oh my God, stop. Thanks. Stop. No, really.
What did you say for beatboxing? What was saying?
Wiki.
Oh! Did you guys hear the wiki? Very
I
nice.
told you I'm going to throw in a wiki here and
आपने
there.
क्या बोला था? क्या कैसे था?
Bouncing cats बोलो.
Bouncing.
हाँ तो but bouncing पे bouncing cats. Bouncing. Can you guys try it? 5, 6, 7, go. Bouncing cats. Bouncing.
Wiki. I'm helping you guys out.
Yeah, Julian Assange will be proud. Whose turn is it? It's my revenge turn. Prajakta, fucking, I'm doing everything. It's okay.
Listen, I wiki.
Yeah, you wiki.
Go for it. Abhish.
No.
Just...
Best.
Done.
Sorry. No. Good night.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Go to your room.
याद दिला लो.
Oh fuck. Oh, that wasn't intended. Okay. There you go.
Call this the flamingo.
Nice. Good job.
I'm just eliminating props.
No, fuck off. Give it here. No. You can't eliminate your own cup. Wow, that sucked much harder than any black hole I have ever encountered. Oh, pretty.
The flamingo was...
Yeah, I
See,
call
it's
it
strategy, okay?
the flamingo. Alright, Prajakta, your
Okay.
turn. Wow! Oh! That was
You're
insane!
gonna get a point now.
Hey,
हमें
we-
point
we-
मिलेगा अभी. Let's
Hey,
go.
I mean,
Sorry,
by the
very
way,
competitive.
हाँ ये cheating कर सकते हैं.
I got a little love. Do an impression of Abhish hosting Son of Abhish. This one I've got to watch.
Okay, Justin.
I think Justy should do this.
Impression of me hosting my show. Great. Sir, this is your table. आप Son of Abhish हैं तो आपका height पहले कम करना पड़ेगा. Hey, please, very good. Thanks. हाँ.
ऐसे भी कुछ होता है. इंग्लिश में बोल नहीं पाता आप जैसी तो इतना ही चलेगा.
बस height में ना.
हाँ ये यही कर दो यहाँ से ही पता चल जाएगा जब ऐसे करते हो.
I think that's good.
Accurate.
Just because.
ये
यार improvise किया मैंने गाना.
ये
मैं ये नहीं करता. You have reduced me down to tapping. I need to get my game up, man. Okay, you get one. We are still at 2, Prajakta.
Yeah.
Still at 2. We got a couple of rounds to go. Who's next?
Yes.
Just
go.
you're next. Okay.
Come on.
ये हल्की है बॉल.
Oh, अच्छा.
Yes. Ball tampering. Ball tampering.
सच्ची में घूम जाती है.
ये बाकी पिंक
देखो
बॉल
ये.
पे काफी हाईलाइट बॉल.
It's not bouncing.
हाँ, it's not bouncing. अच्छा, वो बॉल की प्रॉब्लम है. सट्टा मार सकते हो किसमें जाना है? Sorry. Going on.
यार ये तो रहने दो. अभी रहने दो यार.
What the fuck is going on?
Flamingo.
आप तो रहने
Let's
दो.
go.
अच्छा, मैं बैठा
Let's
हूँ.
go.
Sorry, I know what the fuck
Can
is
we
going on.
switch teams, please?
Too late.
I'm not going to think. I'm just going to do it.
Oh!
Said I
So
didn't.
please don't think.
Yeah, just don't think.
Oh shit, what is it?
डांडिया with
Dumbbells.
dumbbells.
What? Oh, both of us. Dumbbells, okay.
Let's mix and match. Take one red, one blue.
Dandiya. I don't know how to do dandiya.
Hey, this I can nail. Where do we dance?
Okay.
I'll sing also.
Okay. हाँ, yeah.
See, it is.
Okay.
Ye lena. It's like salsa but with hands,
Okay.
not legs. Give that hand.
Okay. हाँ.
अच्छे से करो ना भाई. इतना
मेरा
Energy, Abhi.
Oh, energy.
Kaccha
Okay.
limbu.
1, 2, 3, go.
Listen, this counts, right?
Oh yes, yes. You guys are best.
My
All right,
turn.
2 more rounds. Let's do. Oh, your turn. Oh yeah, your
My
turn.
Come on, sink it.
Well left. Okay. Jasipa ji was. Come on.
यार ये घूम जाती है, हमेशा घूमती है। इस बार फिर घूमी सच्ची में।
पिच का प्रॉब्लम हो गया।
अभी टेबल का
Edit.
ये नेक्स्ट का रख लो।
Count.
हाँ यार।
You guys are mean. This thing is counted.
वो तो मैंने बताया था घूम जाती है।
Yeah, ये cheating.
Guys, we're just giving you points, so just
You're
don't
also
worry about it.
performing.
Yeah, embarrassing.
Wear your left shoe on your right foot and vice versa, and do the Macarena.
What is the Macarena?
Dum-da-da-dum.
How many dances do you know, Prajakta?
Dandiya,
Okay.
Macarena.
Okay.
ये कहाँ का है?
हैं?
माकारीना। Sorry, मतलब कहाँ का है? पंजाब का नहीं।
Macarena, it's
Or do we do that then? Exchange shoes?
we have to exchange shoes, is
No,
it?
no, not exchange. Wear right
Exchange
and left.
feet. Shoes.
Jesse
on
will
feet.
teach you the Macarena. It's very simple. Okay. Okay. There's a hip movement भी, हाथ भी है. Okay. सब इधर आ जाओ सबके सब. Okay. It's very simple. Okay.
Dum-da-da-dum-da-da-dum-da-da-da-da.
बस इनको सिखाना भी है, करना भी है.
इधर है ना?
Yeah.
यहाँ से सामने से देख लो।
Okay. 5, 6, 7,
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
वो भी हिलना है.
8.
अच्छा ये चलता रहेगा।
चिचिक
It's a dance.
Go. It's like that. Wanna just? Yeah. So 1, 2. So remember Mumbai local जुजुक पहले जुजुक उसके भीख मांगनी है. दे दो. यहाँ मत मारो. सब क्यों मार रहे हो? That's the step, right? Who's getting the fucking points on this game?
गिन लेते हैं ना ऐसे।
we're
काउंट कर लो।
हाँ?
काउंट कर लो।
Count?
हाँ काउंट करो क्लास के।
ये
भाई इतने ज्यादा
That's how you win.
हम
There's
जीत
no-
के बाबा जी।
Yeah,
One,
that's
two,
how
three,
you
four,
win.
5, 6.
Right?
1,
7?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो आपके ज्यादा तो हम जीते ना.
यार हम
Yeah!
No. What
हम
is
जीते।
Who won?
हम जीते।
Yeah. वो सही बोल रहा है.
हम जीते यार।
हम जीते.
और हमारा
हम
एक खराबी की आपने।
एकदम.
ये आपने गिरा था ये।
सुनो, मुझे लगता है कि नचा के ना
ये भी
हमें-
डाल दो ना. डाल ही दो. ये लो. बढ़ा लो.
ये भी रख दो.
ये डाल. सभी डाल दो. सब डाल दो. Alright. One last. I'm gonna put. Alright. And we get to decide who gets to do it. I'm gonna call it a tie right now. Right?
We are winning.
We are winning. No. Why are you lying to me, man?
नहीं.
You are losing. Why am I believing? मैं आपकी बात क्यों मान रहा हूँ?
क्योंकि ये सच है।
आप गाली नहीं देते, बस साले बोलते हो। मैंने अच्छा वो अच्छा आदमी है यार ये तो हम जीत रहे हैं ना?
कहाँ कैसे जीते?
नहीं. Wait. More glasses on table, you are winning.
हाँ।
Okay, Prajakta.
According to my rules now.
Buddy, I think you're better at this. One last. किसी पे भी डाल दो.
फिर पहले से 2 हैं।
वो मैंने ही डाले थे.
भाई चीटिंग मत करो, बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है. Oh wow, okay.
I like making the rules of this game. While wearing headphones which are playing a hard metal / cringe type of song, very descriptive. The guest needs to sing a lullaby.
Okay.
लोरी गानी है.
अल्लाह
With-
अल्लाह
yeah.
अल्लाह। क्या हो? ये सबसे मुश्किल ना ये सच्ची मुश्किल चीज है।
हाँ. Okay.
तो कान में कुछ और चलता रहे कैसे क्या
And then you have to sing a lullaby.
ठीक है. More volume.
हाँ.
3. Okay.
Oh, shit.
ये कौन सा लल्लाबाई लोरी है?
लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी लल्ला लल्ला लो। बाबा आपने तो इजी कर दिया मुझे यार।
क्यों?
उसमें म्यूजिक आ रहा है, उस पे जा रहा है बहुत अच्छा। लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी लल्ला लल्ला ऐसे चल लल्ला लल्ला मुझे इतनी लोरी आती है पर कंपोजिशन सही थी।
Yeah, मतलब because it is sound exactly like a lorry. Yeah, la 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 lorry. Yeah, दूध की कटोरी. Yeah, la 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 lorry. Yeah. Okay, for this I will give you 1 point. But now, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to find out who the winner of this game is, go on www.youtube.com/ABISH and hit the subscribe button. But for me, the winner of the game is me. Yes! Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise for Prajakta Kohli and for Shasi Gill. Thank you, man. Keep it going for Nikhil Kenny, everyone.